I thought I'd put this video together. It's one of my favorite drives, basically leaving my cabin and going through the Marias Pass, which links Flathead County to Glacier County. It goes right up over the summit, the Continental Divide, down onto where the Great Plains start. It's a fantastic drive through the mountains. You can do it every couple weeks and the scenery changes. Animals, deer, elk, changes of leaves, snow levels. It's always interesting drive. I absolutely love it. So I put a bit together going through the pass, and it basically covers from West Glacier to East Glacier, that's part of Glacier National Park. But it'll give you the idea, and it's a nice little journey. Next year, when I return, I'll do a proper film of the whole journey, because it's a fantastic drive. If you ever get the chance, you're over this part of the world, definitely do it. It takes Highway 2 basically right across the top of Montana going east. So if you're going from the East Coast, West Coast, come along the Canadian border, this was a route that you'll take anyway. And there are some alternative routes that I may show you in later videos. So let me know if you like this sort of content. So let's have a look at that drive right now. About to go on one of my favorite drives. Too good of highway I like is Bear Highway in the south part of the state, and this going through the pass from Flathead Valley across to Glacier County. So we have so our happy place, the cabin's over here in Flathead Valley. This is where I grew up. The ranch that we lived on was in Montana. And so you got this stretch through the mountain passes. It takes a couple hours to get through, but it's a beautiful drive any time of year, different seasons, lots of animals. It's one of my favorite drives. And so I'll do some of it on time-lapse photography, and I'll slow down and feed in some of the highlights. But this is a real treat for me to drive through here any time of year. It's always different. You can come back a few weeks different, it looks different. So it's always an exceptional drive. Now here's the entrance to West Glacier, Glacier National Park. It's probably about 45 minutes from the cabin, and it's the entry to the pass. Adventure begins.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Somebody pick me up. Somebody from my life. Somebody pick me up. Somebody pick me up. Somebody from my life. Somebody pick me up.
So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Road trips are a vital part of retirement, I think. Getting out and traveling, meeting new people, see the part of the country, particularly in your own state and places that that are close to you. You may have never gone to before. So get out and have a look at that. The videos or there's things that you like to watch, then let me know. Drop me a line on my email, yourjourneytransitions@gmail.com, or leave comments in the section below. If this is something you like to do, I definitely like road trips, and I like filming different parts of them. So we could do this in the future if you like it. Remember, you can give me feedback and follow me on my Facebook, Your Journey Transitions, on Instagram, on my Twitter account, on LinkedIn, or through my webpage, yourjourneytransitions.com. So until next time, this is Rick Ward, your guide to the retirement stages, wishing you an extraordinary retirement.
This is like a cocoon.
What comes out of a cocoon?
Butterflies.
Are butterflies beautiful?
Yeah.